Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video. Today we'll be installing the C6 LED headlights for the Renault Kwid 2019 model. This is the slot that you will need to remove to insert the LEDs. Please stay tuned till the end of the video to see the step-by-step instructions and to see the before and after. First, you will need to remove the rubber housing that you see here on your screens right now. Once you remove the rubber housing, you will be able to see two of the clips that are holding your halogen lamp. You will need to press down on one of the ends on your right hand side to release the halogen lamp from the socket. This is the part that you will need to push down on to release the halogen lamp. Once you push down on the pins, you will be able to completely free the halogen lamp from inside of this socket and pull it out easily. Once you pull it out, this is how it looks. Here is a closer look at both of the lights. The one on your left is the halogen lamp that comes default in most of the cars, even in the Renault Kwid 2019 as well. And on the right, you are seeing the C6 LED headlight that we are installing. It has a fan on its back that is used for cooling the chip. And this one doesn't have any fans. It also comes with a cable that is directly a plug and play. So this installation is very easy. It also comes with an instruction manual, and the language here is English, which is pretty easy to understand. It also has pictures for a better understanding. There are 4 steps in total, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and on the bottom you will be able to see the warranty details. If you properly look at the housing, you will be able to see the slots marked for the placement of the LED. You will need to push it in and then you will need to lock the pins properly. And here is the final step in this video. Once you have successfully placed the LEDs inside of the housing, you will just need to connect both these cables. Here's a clear difference between both of the lights. The one on your left is a C6 LED and the one on the right is a halogen lamp. And the flickering that you're seeing on the screen is because of the low beam and high beam that I'm trying to show you guys. The installation of the LED has finally completed. Here's a closer look at the low beam and high beam. And this is the low beam. I think it is sufficient enough. And this is the high beam. I think high beam is the excellent among high beam and low beam, as it is supposed to be. And this is the pass light. I think in this price range, this is the best that you can get. You can see the description down below. I have provided a link for the purchase. Thank you for watching the video, guys. That's it for today. More videos are coming soon. Please stay tuned, share, subscribe, like and comment. And this is as close as we can get to this LED. This is the high beam, this is the low beam. That's it for today. Bye bye.